Let's solve this beautiful Olympiad exponential equation. I've actually solved this problem there on my reel, right? But it was voiceless, okay? So now I want to solve this for the benefit of those that couldn't get it right. So now we have this 7 to the power x multiplied by 2 to the power x, then multiplied by x to the power x equals root 7. So how are we going to get the value of x? So now as we can see, power x, power s, power x. So therefore, we can have it to be 7 multiplied by 2, then multiplied by x. So all of them are sharing the same power. So we can write it this way. Then equals, we have this to be, we can write this 7 as 1 over 2. That is from the law of indices, right? So now, let's simplify this further. 7 times 2, we're going to have what? We're going to have 14. Then multiply by x, then to the power of x equals 7 to the power of 1 over 2. So let me put this in parentheses too. So now from there, what's the next thing we are going to do? Common sense. We are actually we'll be looking for a possible way, okay, to get the value of x. So now what do you think we can do here? Now if I try to 14x, okay, and I have x here, what if I try to multiply this power here by 14 and I multiply the power here also by what? By 14, both sides of the equation, right? So now what do you think will happen? So you see that this is going to be 14x, then x times 14, I'm going to be having 14x, then equals, here we have 7. Now from the law of indices, this power must multiply this, that is 14, then 14 divided by 2, we're going to be having 7. So therefore we have 7 to the power of 7, and here we have 14x to the power of 14x, right? So which shows that this a is raised to a and b is raised to b. Automatically just equate a to be b. So we're going to have 14x to be equals 7. Then from there, what do you think we have? Just divide both sides by 14, right? Because we have x here, 7 by 14. This we cancel this, we have x to be 7 here, 1, 7 here, 2. So we have the solution here to be 1 over 2. So now somebody now said, it's like the question is wrong, because when they put this back to the equation, it doesn't give the right answer. So let's see what you are going to do. So now 7 to power x, 2 to power x. So I'm going to go, because this is same thing as this here. The left answer is same thing as this here, okay? So let me come from here. If I come from 14, you write x. So what is the x? X is 1 over 2. Then to the power of what? 1 over 2. Because that's the value of x we have. So now, is this going to give us root 7 or 7 to the power of 1 over 2? So now you can see that here 14 divided by 1, 14 times 1 over 2, 2 here 1, 2 here 7. So you can see that we have 7 to the power of 1 over 2 equals 7 roots. Now, if we want to write this 7 to power 1 over 2, right, we can write it as this, root 7. You can see that root 7 equals root 7. So which shows that the value of x we got is right and nothing wrong with the question, right? So that's the end of the class. If you find this class very interesting, kindly share to your colleagues. Follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos like this. Bye bye.